What's up, you guys? I want to share with you 3 ways that you can make time for YouTube. For those of you guys who are busy bees and you just can't get to it, but you know damn well you want to get to it. You know you want to start a channel. You know you want the views. You know you want to grow your audience. You know you want the multiple streams of income that come with just creating content on the platform. You know you want the brand awareness. You want to build that community. You want to make a large impact. You know, YouTube is the second highest search engine. Today I'm going to help you with how to make time for creating a channel of your dreams with ease. The first thing that I want to get out of the way on how you can have more time for YouTube is to acknowledge that you need to make time for YouTube. You know, not all of us have time to just throw into the air, and that's where priorities come into play. When it comes to things that are our priority, we make an effort to create time for those things. If you just realize that you ran out of cheese in your refrigerator and you need cheese to make your sandwich, you're gonna go and take a quick stop to the store. Even though you barely have any time today, you're gonna prioritize that because you want your damn cheese. Or let's say there was like a last minute parent conference meeting that you needed to attend. You'll find a way to make the time to do it because it's a priority to you. So if YouTube is a priority to you, it's your job to create the time, to look into your schedule and see when there is time. My biggest tip is to look at what you're spending your free time doing. You know, a lot of us effortlessly scroll Instagram and Facebook. Look at your watch time on your phone. How long are you scrolling Instagram and Facebook? You know, how long are you binging Netflix and YouTube? Can you use that time to create your YouTube channel? If not, how can you make that time? For me, when I first started my YouTube channel, I had to sacrifice spending so much time with my friends and use that time towards making videos for my YouTube channel. You know, I didn't completely cut off my friends. I hung out with them on weekends and like some occasions, but I cut out some time that I was spending with my friends, and I cut out some time binging a ton of YouTube videos to make YouTube videos. I also had to sacrifice my mornings because at a point I was working a fast food job, going to college, and I had to babysit most times when I was home. Instead of waking up at 10 o'clock right before I had to get ready for my college classes, I woke up at 5 a.m., 6 a.m. to make sure to have an extra 4 hours in my day to work towards my goals towards YouTube. And I know that may be a bit extreme, you know, waking up early and everything, but if it's a priority, you make it work. Successful people don't wait around for time, they create it. I highly suggest hiring a video editor if time is a big thing for you. A lot of people assume that it's super expensive, but you literally can hire a video editor on Fiverr.com for $7. Now, it's not going to give you an extreme, like magnificent, like in-depth video editor, but they'll cut out the basic edits for you, which will cut out a good 8 hours of time of you doing those basic edits. Me personally, I take my videos over to Fiverr whenever I don't have free time, and they do the basic edits, and then I do the fun edits like this. Plan ahead. It is so important to plan ahead, because if not, you're gonna spend a lot of time panicking over what's your next video, over, you know, when you're gonna upload, on, oh my god, like I forgot this, I forgot that. Plan ahead. At the beginning of every month, I want you to do a brainstorm of videos that go with your niche. I want you to start the ones that you really like, and I want you to schedule when you're gonna write the scripts and outlines for them, when you're gonna film them, and when you're gonna edit them. So you are always on top of it. You know, you always have your arsenal of videos. If you ever run out of video ideas, you know when you're gonna upload, you have all your videos backed up. You know, it saves so much time stressing, because a lot of people spend a lot of time stressing things that don't need to be stressed, like what's the next video, you know, when am I gonna make the time to edit? If you plan it all ahead, it's not going to be an issue. If you plan out all ahead of time, you will do it with ease, even if you are a busy bee with a ton of things going on in your life. So those are 3 ways that you can make more time for YouTube. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments, and yeah, I'll see you guys later.